Good morning, class. Let me just take a few minutes of your time this morning just to kind of get us going for this week. Sorry I wasn't able to get the video uploaded yesterday, but things just got a little out of hand. But first of all, of course, your discussion board is graded and up, and so you can take a look at that. Looked at the quizzes, and didn't look like y'all did quite as well as a group, but you guys still doing really well, so keep on working hard. Well, this week has finally arrived, the week when your paper will be due on Sunday. So with that being said, let me make sure that you understand some of the important things about that paper. I've highlighted them throughout the term, but let me just drive these home one last time. First of all, make sure that you have the correct margins. Obviously that's important, but also make sure you check the spacing on your title page. There's examples for the title page, so make sure you look at the proper form for the title page. If you do a table of contents, make sure that you do the proper form. And so that's in Turabian. There may even be a sample one in the manual, but definitely look at Turabian for the proper form for a title page. Of course, it's not required, so you don't have to do it, but if you do one, also make sure you take a look at the proper form for footnotes. That's going to be very important for the various types of resources that you use. Depending on the type of resource that you're using, the footnote form could be quite different. So make sure that you take a look at that, especially for Bible dictionaries or encyclopedias, but also obviously journal articles. Those the form is a little bit different, and then some other things too. But also remember, for this paper, you have to do a bibliography, and the bibliography forms are different than the footnote forms. They're similar and contain virtually the same information. However, the form is just a little bit different. So take a look at that. Make sure you get the proper form for the bibliography. Also, if you're going to use headings, and most of you will, make sure you look at the proper form for headings. And you do those things, you'll probably do really well. The other thing, as I've stated throughout the semester, is to make sure you use good sources and use balanced sources, meaning that you don't just simply rely on your textbook, Kestenberger, to give you all the information for the Second Temple period. You're going to have to find some other sources that go a little bit deeper, provide a little more breadth for that particular topic. Also, for your special topic, whatever you choose to do, please make sure you get a couple sources that are specific to that particular item, ideology, person, period, whatever, because that will really help provide a lot of depth to that part of the paper. So, guys, I know it's going to be probably maybe a sleep-deprived week for you as you work on the paper, but just do your best work. Check for spelling and grammar errors, and we've got a great writing lab. You can always check with them, and make sure you just do your best work. And so, again, I'm always available. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Some of you have done that. And I'm always willing to help any way that I can. So you guys have a great week, and I will hopefully see you soon. All right, take care. Bye.